This government is not an international.
בימים אלה, בשעה שישראל מנהלת משא ומתן אינטנסיבי מול התרבות במאמץ עליון להגיע לעסקה, החמאס...
This government is not an international court. We have not and could not arbitrate on whether or not Israel has breached international humanitarian law. This is a forward-looking evaluation, not a determination of innocence or guilt, and it does not prejudge any future determinations by the competent courts. But facing a conflict such as this, it is this government's legal duty to review export licenses. Criteria 2C of the Strategic Export Licensing Criteria states that the government will not issue export licenses if there is a clear risk that the items might be used to commit or facilitate serious violations of international humanitarian law. It is with regret that I inform the House today the assessment I have received leaves me unable to conclude anything other than that for certain UK arms exports to Israel, there does exist a clear risk that they might be used to commit or facilitate a serious violation of international humanitarian law. I have informed my Right Honourable friend, the Business and Trade Secretary, and he is therefore today announcing the suspension of around 30 from a total of approximately 350 to Israel as required under the Export Controls Act. This is not an arms embargo. It targets around 30, approximately 350 licenses to Israel in total for items which could be used in the current conflict in Gaza. The rest will continue.
We are a staunch ally of Israel. We remain a staunch ally of Israel. We've made this legal judgment as a result of the process we're required to follow. Well, this is not about making a political gesture. We saw too much of that under the last government. This is about following the rule of law, and this is a government that will respect the law. But in the end, the only way to end Israeli actions, the only way to end the attacks from Hamas, from Hezbollah, and from others that mean Israel harm, is for an immediate ceasefire. And we've been now arguing that in opposition and in government. It's why the Foreign Secretary and I have been in the region since the election.
يلا زوز زوز زوز